Bowen's Garage.
Who she is.
Oh, shit. Okay, I need to stop swearing.
You too. How's it all going with the cleanup?
Well, my back hurts.
Yeah.
And my feet hurt.
What's all this for the newspapers? Why are they on the floor? What's happening?
Well, I'm cleaning the oven.
Right. Oh, that's definitely not a job for me.
That's having a soak overnight.
Gillian she's a good cleaner, but you just take your time. She's a bad follower too. If you're in a motorcade of cars and you have to follow me, you're so slow.
This is not an open slather on
You're
my
so
fault.
slow.
It's not an open slather
Okay.
on my fault. I'm fragile.
Is the coffee machine coming with us?
Well, it will be because you've lost a part of something we've bought.
All right, I better leave this one alone. She sounds
And
a bit
if I
angry.
can't have coffee.
She's a bit angry today.
Bowen's Garage.